Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds SOUNDCORE Space One with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this button, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And after that, at the left ear cup, we have a power button. You need to press and hold this power button to firstly turn on it, but you keep holding and we need to enter pairing mode. So this LED light near to the power button should blinking blue as I have right now. And after that we will see it at the device list. Right here we have it. Click connect. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!